I want to show you something that I do to the car once it's clean. So obviously this panel right here is dirty, but I've got one single area here that is clean. And after you wash it, make sure to seal the paint with this ceramic coating. What this essentially does, you literally will spray it all over the panel, and don't do the whole car at once, do it panel by panel. They even give you that little chamois to use. Now all you do on one side, you will pass once just like this, and then turn it over, and this time around, just buff. And look at this shine. Love the way it shines, but also I love the way it protects, because at this point, it can rain on, you can even go and wash your car at the car wash or whatever, and this ceramic coat will actually stay on for a really, really long time. So it protects your car from the sun, from any type of weather damage, and you can do the entire car with one little of these, and actually more than a few times actually, because you don't need to use a lot. Just make sure to apply, buff, and let it go. It's really, really useful.